This is Padlet. This is how the teacher and students communicate with each other outside of class. Here you will find any information about the class and all of your students' classwork. To see what is inside any box, simply click on it and the information will appear. It may be a PDF, a photo, or a link to the lesson slides. Each student will have their own set of notes for the class. You can see that this student has his photo, feedback from the teacher, a place to write notes to the teacher, homework to do, and a place to upload his homework. This student is ready to play the game for his homework. If he clicks on the box, the game will open up. He can write a note in the box when he finishes to tell his teacher his score. The student will not see all the lessons that are loaded. He will have his own page with only his lessons. Your teacher will email the link or send it to you on WeChat. That link will not change. You can use it before and after every class. Just click on the link and you will go directly to your student's page. You may want to put a picture of your child here. It's very easy. Just click Edit on the small picture. Then when you see the pop-up, simply drag and drop the new photo into the box. After every class, your student will receive feedback from the teacher. You will find the feedback here too. You will also find the link to the video from that class. All of the information for that week's classes will be on your student's page. When your student finishes his homework, he can upload it to his page before class so that the teacher can see it. There are options for uploading the homework. You can take a photo or a screenshot. You could also drag and drop a PDF. Click on the colored icons to see your options. In this example, the student was able to drag and drop his homework for the teacher. Once you drop it, you will be able to watch it load. Then you will see a picture of your homework. The teacher can now click it and see it too. If you have any questions about Padlet, please message Teacher Allison. She will be happy to help.